Now, today we will discuss a topic division algorithm. Given any integers a and b with a is greater than 0, there exist unique integer q and r such that b is equal to aq plus r for 0 is less than or equal to r is less than a. Here we will see proof. Given a and b belongs to z with a is greater than 0. Here we consider a set S. Consider a set capital S is equal to set of numbers a S is equal to b minus a into k for a S is equal to b minus a into k for b minus a into k is greater than or equal to 0 and k belongs to z. Now given a belongs to z and a is greater than 0 implies absolute value of a is greater than or equal to 1. Now multiply both sides by absolute value of b implies absolute value of a into absolute value of b is greater than or equal to absolute value of b. This implies absolute value of a into b is greater than or equal to absolute value of b. Now add both sides by b. This implies b plus absolute value of a into b is greater than or equal to b plus absolute value of b, and b plus absolute value of b is always greater than or equal to 0 implies b plus absolute value of a into b is greater than or equal to 0. Now so implies b plus absolute value of a into b belongs to S. That is, the set S contains one element b plus absolute value of a into b implies S is non-empty set. By well ordering principle, the set S contains a list element say R. So by definition of S, there exist integers q such that R is equal to b minus a into q for R is strictly greater than or equal to 0. Now suppose R is greater than a implies R minus a is greater than 0. So again implies 0 is less than R minus a is less than R. Now consider b minus q plus 1 into a is equal to b minus a into q minus a is equal to b minus a into q minus a is equal to r minus a. That is, b minus q plus 1 into a is equal to r minus a, and which is less than r. Also r minus a is strictly greater than or equal to 0 implies r minus a belongs to yes. Again this implies B minus Q plus 1 belongs to yes, but R minus A is less than R, that is R minus A is least element of yes. This implies contradiction to yes has least element R. So this implies R is less than A, that is there exists Q and R belongs to Z such that B is equal to AQ plus R for 0 is less than R, strictly less than A. Now prove uniqueness. Now to prove uniqueness, suppose there exists Q1, Q2, R1, R2 belongs to Z such that B is equal to AQ1 plus R1 for 0 is less than or equal to R1 is less than A and B is equal to A into Q2 plus R2 for 0 is less than or equal to R2 is less than A. Now consider R1 is not equal to R2, implies either R1 is less than R2 or R2 is less than R1. Now suppose R1 is less than R2, implies 0 is less than R2 minus R1 is less than or equal to R2 is strictly less than A. This implies R2 minus R1 is equal to B minus AQ2 minus B minus AQ1 is equal to minus AQ2 minus plus A into Q1 is equal to A into Q1 minus Q2, that is R2 minus R1 is equal to A into Q1 minus Q2. By using definition of divisibility, Q1 is integer, Q2 is integer, so Q1 minus Q2 is integer, and if we remove Q1 minus Q2 implies R implies A divides R2 minus R1. This implies absolute value of A is less than or equal to absolute value of R2 minus R1. Implies absolute value of A is less than or equal to R2 minus R1. Implies A is less than or equal to R2 minus R1. This implies contradiction so this implies R1 is equal to R2, so that Q1 is equal to Q2. Thus for any integers A and B with A is greater than 0, there exist unique integers Q and R such that B is equal to AQ plus R for 0 is less than R is strictly less than A, hence the proof. Thank you.